What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ven Perp here. I'm gonna make a beat in Linux Multimedia Studio, and today I'm gonna show you another free default plugin that comes with LMMS. This one's called Mallets, as you can see. Already pulled up vibraphone here, and what I'm gonna do now is, alright, so sounds pretty decent, right? Let me get this volume adjusted. And again, hopefully you're actually hearing my voice, because when I start recording these, I don't know if the mic is working or not. It's just a weird thing. But, yeah, not too bad. Okay, but what I'm going to do is go to Add Effect, and you can't see this little pop-up here, unfortunately, but it brings up a big list you can scroll through, and I'm just going to grab a reverb out of this long list of effects. And I just happen to like this particular reverb right here. And I'm just going to turn down the room size, because I want like a kind of subtle reverb, not anything too crazy. See, it, gives it a little bit of something. Now I'm going to add a compressor. You may notice that I don't use a effects mixer like a control rack, and a lot of people will use that like in FL, and that's fine. It's just I like to put effects on individual instruments because I don't necessarily want to compress everything exactly the same. So that's just me. You do you, because music is art after all. So I'm just gonna adjust this compressor here and close all this out, get it out of the way. Now we gotta, let's see. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let me just pound out something here. Turn on the metronome. Let's adjust this tempo just ever so slightly, and away we go. Okay. Now let's see how far I have to move it, if at all. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out so I can see it a little bit better. Nice, I actually did it right on. I usually don't play with a metronome. That's the thing about it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the 808, but I gotta put some distortion on it, put a little amp simulator on it, so all you out there watching and listening can hear it a little bit better, and because it sounds pretty cool. So I'm just gonna tweak it how I like it. Again, you do you. But I'm actually gonna give it a little bit of a scoop this time, I believe, just for fun. And then let's add 808, shall we? Okay. And I believe that's in key. I just happen to know how to play by ear from the few guitar lessons that I took. Okay, so yeah, let's move it down a half step. That's better. Now, we're going to double time this existing hi-hat by copying it. Copy all of them right there. Select all of them and then hit copy, then hit paste. Then go back to your draw tool right here, grab it and slide it over. Now you hear double time. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm supposed to be talking, I guess. My bad, I get kind of in the zone when I'm making beats dig and kind of forget that I'm actually recording a thing. So now we got a beat, you know? Okay, so now we got a beat. Let's add a little more depth to the hi-hat, or whatever you want to call it. Sorry, I'm not big on technical terms. So I'm going to go to this quantize here and hit 32. And so every first and third line will be where your snare hits. So I'm going to go, I'm going to add some hi-hat. But then what I'm also going to do, you'll see in just a second once I fill these in, is I'm going to move some of these hi-hats down to just kind of switch it up a little bit, add a little bit of flavor. Gotta add a little seasoning when you're in here cooking, you know what I mean? So nothing too significant here, but just for fun, we're gonna grab our select tool right here and just take those and go to draw and then grab them and drop them down a little bit, and then go over here and do the same to these. And grab it, drop it down. Alright, now, let's add a pad to it. That'll be cool. So, I'm gonna go over here, just some pads. I have pads. Plenty. Here's something to just say pads. I think that'll work, actually. So, you can just double click on it and it'll pop up right there. And we're just going to copy, hit the right click right there, and then you just go copy and then right click right here and paste. And then I'm going to hit right click again and hit reset name because I don't like having mallets right there. I'm going to isolate these two and get them queued up together, however you want to call it. That sounds pretty good as is, I'd say. But I am going to take this beginning part right here and line it up to where there's not that swell at the beginning. Hear that? And since I have these notes already lined up to go this long, I don't really have to worry about the fact that this is a 6.6 second loop. So let's add our compressor to this as well, because that's what I do. So this is just a mono compressor because I compress things a lot because I tend to have a loud mix at the end, so I use a lot of compression. You do what's right for you. I'm not here to tell you how to mix your stuff. That's a whole different series of videos. Now I'm going to turn this metronome off. Yes, and hit Control S to save. Because why wouldn't you? Well, there you go. It's kind of a dark, weird, trappy kind of thing. Hey, I'm just making these things on the fly, showing you how to do it, and how I do it, and how you can do it is up to you. And you can just, have your own ideas. But I'm gonna add that little trappy one. That's how you make it trappy right there. That one. Listen. Alright, I'm just gonna isolate these, and then you'll hear it a little bit better. And this will really do it to me. Okay, so from there, all you gotta do is go to this gear, hit clone, and then go to that clone, and then throw your snare fill right there. Now you got one with snare fill, and then hit clone again. You go to that clone. Oh wait, no, it's that clone because it pops right up under it. And then you take all these out. I'm doing it the hard way there. You can open it in piano roll and then hold down right click and then drag it across like so to erase those. Oh wait, I am actually going to leave that one right there. Then you get rid of your perks right there, your rim sounds, and your open hat And then the 808 is just going to be this one. Yeah. Now, you got a nice long loop. You just hold down right click again like you were erasing, and then just drag across and then hit this. Now we have a nice long loop. You could do a whole 16 over this, I believe. So that's mallets and pads as well to make a weird kind of dark chappy beat like I do. But stream Ven Perp music everywhere. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment if you dug it and all that good stuff. And enjoyed Linux Multimedia Studio. Great free software that doesn't get the credit it deserves, I feel. So figured I'd help people learn a little bit more about it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you'd like anything else covered in a video. And y'all have a great day.